You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you say the name of this medieval castle in Switzerland, located in Vedo, I believe it is. And now I've seen videos online saying that you have to say Château de Chillon, but no, that's not correct. When you have an I and double L in French, as in Chillon, most of the time you replace the I double L with like a Y, so that's Chillon, Chillon, not Chillon, not Chillon, Chillon. So Château de Chillon, Château de Chillon is how you say. In English you could say it as Château de Chillon, Chillon. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.